Hey, how's it going? How's everyone doing? Welcome to a special episode of my cooking channel. Right now we're just hanging out in front of this fire, kind of getting everything going, getting the house nice and hot so that we can perform some cooking activities. So hang tight for a bit, and then we'll head up to do some cooking.
How's it going down there?
It's pretty good.
You alright?
Hey, yeah, I'm alright. How are you?
I'm alright. Is the fire okay?
Yeah.
You gotta throw some logs on, alright?
I'll throw some logs on, Dad. Thanks, Dad. That was my dad. He's just he's just he's a real hard ass, but you gotta love him. Family's family. How's it going, everyone? I'm doing some cooking in the kitchen with my dad, and you're welcome to join me if you want to watch along and have a laugh or two. Also, this is my dad over here.
Hey, Matt's friends. What's happening? Just drinking with my son.
Yep, it's noon and my dad's having a beer, cause
we're sad.
Yeah. So anyway, we're over here. We're doing the classic, a little twist on the classic breakfast sandwich. We got the bacon going over here. Dad's cooking up these bagels, as you can see, zooming in here. We got Asiago, we got everything. We only have a single toaster, so we got to do them one at a time. No worries, though. I'm not worried. Hashtag not worried.
Flames.
So while Dad is toasting up those bagels, I'm gonna chop up some garlic, some onion. We got a what is it, poblano pepper.
Poblano?
And a jalapeno.
Bob Poblano?
Yeah, Bob Poblano.
I know Bob.
He works at my lawyer firm.
He's my guy.
And what's going on here? Yeah, I'm gonna cut those up. Just give me a sec. I seem to have made a mess. I've made it a bit of a mess over here. Gotta put that just right there. And bacon's doing its thing. Great. That's good. Good to know. Alright, so our good friend Jake here's got our toasted bagels with cheese and Rayo's sauce right in the microwave there. We're gonna melt that cheese a little bit. We got our bacon still going, another round of bacon. We got our veggies. I'm chopping them up. I'm still in the process of chopping them up. It's all good. I'm having a beer too now because it kind of runs in the family. This is my older brother Jake.
What's up?
He makes me do push-ups.
Bang up 10 right now, come on!
No, I don't want it.
Let's go!
I'm working. I'm cooking. Alright, so our bacon is almost done over here. We got our nice hot bacon arranged on this paper towel very nicely. We got our veggies all ready to go. We got our bagels all ready to go. We do have Rayo's. Give me that jar. I need to do a plug. We got Rayo's homemade marinara sauce, all-purpose, made right here in Little Italy. Where are we? Product of Italy. Oh, it's made actually in real Italy. My bad. It's the best sauce. Like, just don't even doubt me on this. It's the best marinara sauce of all time. Go get yourself some. It's you'll thank me later.
It's literally $12. So you might not thank him later.
It's worth every penny.
It is actually worth every penny, though.
Alright, so our bacon's done. We got our veggies in the pan. They're doing their thing. They're getting all cooked up real good. And then we got our eggs we're gonna toss in there. Once the veggies are a little more, cooked up, then we're gonna grab some seasonings. We're gonna grab our Cajun.
Nice.
Obviously, Montreal steak, Italian. Why not? Do it all.
Nice.
What's this? Chili powder?
Sure.
Are we allowed to use these?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's just do it, all of them. Let's just do everything. Maybe not these. I think that's good. And we'll toss those in with our eggs. Then we'll make our scramble with the veggies. And toss them on the bagels, and then we're good to go.
Cut to the corner. Oh! Let's get it back. Let's go. Come on, let's stay high energy here. Oh, great pass. Come on, let's go.
Yeah! It's eggs time. We're gonna get the eggs in there.
Let's go.
Jake's gonna be on seasoning duty. I'm gonna be on eggs duty, and it's gonna be great. All Alright, a good friend Jake here has seasoned the fuck out of these eggs. And now we're just gonna mix them in with the veggies, so it's like a nice veggie scramble.
Should I keep seasoning?
Keep going. Yeah, I don't care. Do it up. Do it up as hard as you want. Got a nice scramble going. Just a little Cajun. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Perfect. Oh, it was nice. It was a tasteful amount. You know, you don't want to overpower. You don't want to go too hard, because then it's like, ah, child made this. No, this is professional cooking channel.
And we're adults.
We are adults.
Hi, I'm an adult.
That's just what adults do. Alright, we're all good. It's assembly time. We got our bagels over here. We got our bacon. We got our scramble. That's all. That's it. That's all we need. And it's going to be great. Well, and welcome back to my cooking channel. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time. Look at this fucking sandwich, kid. It's the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. In all seriousness,
You want a beer?
yeah, grab me a beer while you're over there.
You want a Yingling Light, 99 calories, or do you want a Miller High Life?
Give me the fucking champagne of beers.
You want the fucking champagne beer?
Yeah, give me a champ.
I'm trying to cut back on my proteins, so I'm gonna have the fucking 99 calories.
That's not protein.
It's the proteins.
Anyway, if you've ever seen a better looking breakfast sandwich in your life, I would like to see it, because I doubt you. So send me an email at I'm doing some cooking in the kitchen, and you're welcome to watch along if you want to join me and watch along and have a laugh or two also at gmail.com. Thank you and have a nice day.